KBRC13 here. We're gonna go on a quest right now. We're driving right now on a quest to get 11 Charlie's Axial scx10 raw builder's kit. I'm gonna build him one so he can donate it to the vets. And it will be on video. Hopefully I can get the video in the store. So hey, 2 lanes, lady. First red light. Bunch of red lights now. Get to the hobby shop. I'll count them for you. So this is 11 lights right here. So we got 11 lights. And now I got a green light. And I got a cut way over here. And watch out for people that cut in front of you from 3 lanes. There it is. There is the hobby shop. There's their van. And gotta find a parking place. And I will be back. So there it is. 11 Charlie. Just got it from the hobby shop. Got some extra screws because girl in there, she's my friend. She said screws like to strip out on there. She just built one. She said the screws might strip out on there in the. So okay. And we go. Gonna start building on it pretty soon.